Hey guys, welcome back. My name's Kurt with Rock.Hounding.Adventures. For today's video, we're going to kind of keep it short. We're going to do a unboxing. Triple A Rockhound had a giveaway about a month ago, and I've been meaning to do this unboxing for a while now. So we're going to go ahead and, I already opened the side here. We're just going to go ahead and pull out the pieces that he's wrapped up and check out what his giveaway was. And I know a couple of the items, but he did have a couple like surprise pieces that he did not show, so we'll check out and see what all it is. I did tell him to add a stone or two that he would like to he'd like me to wrap for him. So here's a sticker, an agate sticker, kind of cool. Set it off to the side here, and so he has these. Let me get a knife. There we go. Okay. So let's take a look at it all. We'll start with this. This is a little bitty gold pan. Definitely works, so we may have to give this a try. Going through some pay dirt. Here's a couple of rocks, looks like quartz. That's jasper. Here, we'll open it up. My guess is this is like epidote and quartz, is my guess. This is definitely a piece of red jasper. Very beautiful. And I'm not sure what this is. So let me know in the comments, man. And this is a piece of quartz. Very beautiful. Let's check out, do this real quick. This is a beautiful piece of amber, an amber tower. I could tell what it was just from the weight. It's very lightweight. And here's a one, glows blue under the black light. Very cool. This looks like obsidian, tumbled obsidian, rainbow looks like. Very cool, very beautiful. Thank you for that. So we've looked at these over here. And what is this? Well, let me grab some water. Okay. I'm not 100% sure what this is. I was gonna say serpentine, but I'm not fully sure, so let me know in the comments. So that right there. Next one, there's this polished slab. I assume this material is the same as this one, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm guessing it's from the Washington area. If I had to guess, I'm gonna guess serpentine. And some dirt. Could this be like pay dirt? Because I see some little bitty. Maybe this is painted to go with this little pan, so I can do that, and yeah, we'll do that later. That's my guess. That's what that is. And nice little bag full of goodies. Two beautiful little quartz crystals. Quartz points. Very pretty. Here's a fish. I think this is onyx or calcite. Cool. Here's a piece of unigite. I'm trying to see if this was fluorite, but it doesn't glow. So maybe it's like green calcite, or I'm not sure. Let me know what this is in the comments. I have no idea. This looks like a polished, what's my water at? Get it a little bit wet. Like a conglomerate piece of jasper. Cabochon. That's cool. Let me know which piece it is you're wanting to be wrapped. I'm gonna guess it's this one, but I'm not 100% sure. Or maybe it's part of that or something. I'm not sure. This looks like, this is bloodstone, possibly, with it being a green jasper with red specks, maybe. Is this Christicola? Looks like calcite. Cool. Here is a nice piece of amethyst, I think. Maybe this is fluorite. I mean, amethyst. It's a nice little piece. And I'm not too sure what this is. I'm guessing coal, maybe? Or I'm not sure what this is. Here's a little copper bar. 1 gram copper. Very cool. And there's some native copper. Very cool. I actually don't have any natural copper nuggets like this, so thank you. This is the first in my collection. I appreciate that. But anyways, that was a very cool little giveaway he did. All of this right here. And I appreciate sending this to me. Let me know down in the comments which piece it was you were wanting to be made into a pendant, so that way I can get started on that. I already kind of started. I already have like a wire wrap started that I'm not sure what I'm gonna put in it, but this is copper and silver, and depending on what stone it is you want, maybe it can go in this one that I've already started. I'm not sure. But anyways, I appreciate you guys watching this. Let me know down in the comments which is your favorite piece, or if you know what some of these are. If you guys are interested in any pendants, I do have a few right here across the top that are available for sale. Just let me know in the comments, and I will give you the price and such. But anyways, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Rock on, find some cool rocks, trade some cool rocks, and I'll see you guys next time. Hope you guys have a fantastic day. Rock on.